Hello and welcome back to Vintage Nook. If you're a fan of cozy corners, timeless charm, and a touch of modern elegance, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking you on a beautiful tour of a West Elm-inspired summer house where vintage meets modern in the most refreshing way. From soft neutrals to reclaimed wood, we'll explore 10 inspiring decor ideas that will transform any space into a sun-soaked sanctuary. Let's dive in and spark some serious summer-style inspiration. Soft neutrals and earthy tones bring a calm, grounding vibe to your summer house. Think warm beiges, soft whites, and muted greens that echo nature. These colors create a seamless flow between indoors and outdoors, making the space feel restful and effortlessly connected to its surroundings. Pairing earthy tones with modern vintage pieces adds balance. A sleek beige sofa alongside a reclaimed wood table bridges the eras. West Elm-inspired minimalism keeps it fresh, while vintage textures like linen or jute lend warmth. It's this fusion that gives your home soul, natural, serene, and full of character. Rattan furniture and woven textures instantly evoke summer charm. Whether it's a statement chair or a basket planter, these details add texture and a breezy vibe. Their handcrafted look fits perfectly in modern vintage spaces, making every room feel inviting, light, and deeply personal. West Elm-inspired interiors embrace natural fibers with clean silhouettes. Pair a rattan headboard with crisp bedding, or use woven pendant lights for subtle drama. These accents, while vintage at heart, look refreshingly current when balanced with modern decor. The result is relaxed sophistication, perfect for summer living. Lighting sets the tone, and vintage-inspired fixtures bring undeniable character. Think globe sconces, brass chandeliers, or retro floor lamps. These pieces don't just illuminate, they tell stories, offering a nostalgic glow that softens modern lines and adds depth to your summer home's aesthetic. To stay West Elm-inspired, opt for lighting with clean finishes, brushed brass, matte black, or milk glass. Blend retro silhouettes with modern simplicity for an effortlessly stylish vibe. Lighting becomes more than function. It becomes a design statement, turning ordinary corners into elegant focal points. Mid-century furniture is a West Elm staple, and it works beautifully in vintage-inspired homes. Low-profile sofas, tapered legs, and walnut finishes blend simplicity with elegance. These timeless pieces offer clean lines and functional beauty, grounding your space with style that never feels outdated. In a summer house, mid-century pieces keep the look fresh yet warm. Pair a sleek armchair with a vintage rug for instant character. Add playful throw pillows for seasonal charm. This mix captures the essence of modern vintage: intentional, curated, and always comfortable. Art inspired by nature adds life to your walls. Think vintage botanical prints, leafy illustrations, or minimalist landscape paintings. These pieces bring the outside in, reflecting the serene, organic vibe of a summer house while introducing layers of visual interest and texture. West Elm-style decor favors balance, so mix vintage prints with clean frames and uncluttered arrangements. Let the art breathe by hanging it above natural wood furniture or near a sunny window. It's a quiet nod to nostalgia, sophisticated and calming with just the right amount of flair. Reclaimed wood brings soul and authenticity to any space. Whether it's a coffee table, open shelving, or ceiling beams, aged wood tells a story. Its weathered texture adds instant warmth and pairs beautifully with both modern shapes and vintage charm. Use reclaimed wood to anchor your West Elm-inspired design. Keep surrounding elements sleek, white walls, structured furniture, to let the grain and imperfections shine. This contrast creates visual depth and harmony, making the home feel thoughtful, lived in, and timeless. Linen is summer's signature fabric, light, breathable, and effortlessly elegant. Use it in curtains, cushions, or bedding for a relaxed yet refined look. Its soft texture and natural wrinkles add casual charm, fitting perfectly into a vintage modern space. Layer linens with cotton or wool for depth. Mix warm whites, soft taupes, and faded blues for a coastal-inspired palette. West Elm's clean aesthetic blends well with these cozy layers, creating a space that feels airy but never bare. It's comfort wrapped in understated luxury. Minimal doesn't mean empty. It means intentional. Choose vintage finds that speak to you, then give them room to shine. A curated shelf with books, ceramics, and personal mementos feels lived in yet uncluttered, reflecting the West Elm philosophy of thoughtful, stylish simplicity. Let the decor breathe with negative space and neutral backdrops. Mix old and new items, perhaps a retro clock beside a modern vase, to keep the energy fresh. The result is a home that feels personal, polished, and perfectly summer-ready without overwhelming the senses. Summer homes shine when the line between indoors and outdoors is blurred. Use wide doors, breezy curtains, and natural textures to connect your space with nature. This harmony enhances light and air, making your home feel larger and more relaxed. West Elm-inspired design supports this openness. Stick to cohesive colors and materials inside and out. Wicker, teak, cotton. Add plants, portable lanterns, or rattan poofs to extend your living space. It's the vintage modern dream. Open, airy, and full of sunshine. Every space needs a star. A vintage dresser, retro mirror, or antique trunk can anchor a room. These one-of-a-kind pieces spark conversation and bring soul to sleek modern settings, making your summer house feel both elegant and meaningful. To integrate them seamlessly, keep the surroundings minimal. Let the vintage item shine and support it with modern accents, perhaps a sleek table lamp or a structured rug. West Elm's refined backdrop allows vintage stars to truly glow, blending nostalgia with effortless sophistication. And that wraps up our tour of this dreamy modern vintage summer house. We hope these 10 ideas have inspired you to bring a little West Elm magic into your own home this season. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell us which idea was your favorite or how you'd style your own summer nook. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here at Vintage Nook, where timeless design always finds a home.